hard. When you swim a little bit too hard, you get swimmer's ears. So now we're off to the doctor to get her some medication. Yeah. Do it. So yeah, she swam a little bit too hard and got her some swimmer's ears, so our ear infection. So we are off to the doctor to get some ear drops and possibly antibiotics for it. I ordered this thing online from Amazon for it, but we got a little bit too late. By the time we realized what was happening, it got a little bit too late. First she thought she was having some type of mouth problem, tooth problem, but it's not. It's an ear infection. So we ordered this thing from Amazon. Came yesterday. I feel like if we had gotten it on Tuesday, it would have helped more, but it only came yesterday. So we'll keep that around for in case it happens again. Yeah, now I just got to make sure they drain their ears properly after they get out the pool from now on, because she has it and my niece had it first and now she has it. So we have to pay attention to the rest of the kids and make sure that we're making sure they drain their ears properly when they get out the pool. And also I saw online where you could spray like rubbing alcohol in it to help to dry it out when they get out the pool, to make sure it's actually dried out properly. Or I saw this lady rubbing some oil around the ear before her kid got in the pool. So there's remedies. Just gotta now from now on take better precaution. So yeah, we're on our way to the doctor to get medication, which I don't like doing medication honestly, personally, especially antibiotics. I really don't like doing it, but again, if we had caught it early, we wouldn't have to be doing this. So we'll be using precautions from now on, so we don't have to get antibiotics. Okay, there we go. So we're done at the doctor's. No antibiotics needed for her. Just ear drops. Right, Nye? Mm-hmm. You want to look this way? Yes. I'm not taking you to get no eardrops, then your ears gonna hurt all day. So yeah, so we're done at the eye doctor. I mean, at the doctor. No eardrops. No antibiotics needed. Only eardrops. So yes, no antibiotics. No antibiotics. This is what I picked from the tomatoes. What I cleaned out. Is that what you just said? Who's we?
When did he get these?
And who are we?
And can you wear them very soon so I can wear them next, please? And thank you. I need a pair of white heels to wear with them.
This is what I deal with. This is what I deal with.
Oh, a pair of brown heels. Mommy, look my night dress.
Can't see that.
Brown heels?
Definitely can.
I can't see that her nightie, and at least now she got small
I could
boobs.
belt it.
I haven't even tried them on yet to see if they fit. I just couldn't leave them. They were like $10. They were.
At work?
Yeah, they were.
You selfish little rat. You took them for yourself instead of sending them to me. You
Well, you need to calm down that language.
Did you hear she called me? Did you hear what she called me? She called me a selfish.
That's what I told you yesterday for eating my patty. I have no shame about that because you people should have never touched my patty.
Oh, this is me right now. That's me right
I don't even know what you. I forgot what that was.
now.
I'm gonna start just walking around with recording.
No, man.
What?
I can't wear everything that has a tag on it.
I gave you those and you said you didn't want them.
This is Mia.
No, oh no, those just came. Those the brown ones I wore the other day. They're kind of tight in my hip.
That's Mia.
That's Mia. Say what? They're a little bit tight in the hip. They're H&M. You know how H&M sometimes it's just
Me when it's back
like
to
Lord
school
have
time.
mercy.
Me when it's back to school time.
This needs something to wear to work tomorrow.
But you have blue dress pants.
Ew.
Yes, you do. The same exact color, actually. That's what I need. That's how I need to have my desk. I really do need to clean up my desk. It needs to look like that. Just a computer on it.
I decided this is
Yeah, they're kind of tight in my hip for me.
I am not sure if I have heels to wear with them. I'm trying to think. Oh, I have my black shoes. A black.
Yeah, don't you have some colored shoes?
Me. This is me.
This is what I go through.
Me.
They all come and take my clothes. Luckily, Nala can't fit them yet.
Me.
I'm kind of doing the Scandinavian thing right now.
I'm coming to that wrap my packages on here.
You just ordered it. Say what?
It's still processing.
When did you order something? Yeah, but she just ordered hers Sunday. And she expected to show up ASAP. I'm not turning on no lights. So this is how y'all getting it. This is it. I'm just watching her in my closet and my clothes.
Either this or this like a tank top.
But see, that's the thing. This is why I started to put on my clothes when I'm not at work anymore. Because I can't dress up at work. Because, of course, I get dirty at work. So this is why, even like yesterday to take her to the doctor, I put on my dress.
Isn't this tiring? Just kidding. I know.
Yes, Japan.
I know. I don't know. This is. I know where this is.
This is what I go through. If the other one was working tomorrow, she'd be in here doing it too. I just don't be recording, but this is what I go through.
Are you off this weekend?
What is that now?
Oh, the store no one, not this one. This one is a closer fit. That one's a closer fit. I've worn both already, so I know. And then this, tucked in.
It is. Then just tie it. Just do the back. Tie the back and push it
I
up.
think that's kind of.
You're gonna push it under. You won't even see it because it's oversized. Push it under itself.
Yeah, I think that look is happy.
You won't even see it because it's big.
Message. And also, where's this top? This is me.
I should have bought them smaller. That's how they are. That's how they are. Now she wants to turn on lights. That's how the necks came. I mean, that's how they came. I should have bought them smaller. Those are the ones I bought in the thing in England.
I remember. They're on this is Mango, right? What is this?
Was it Mango? No, it was a different store.
Monkey. But Mango's on Macy's now.
Really?
Racist little brat. You remember what she said, Mama?
And she didn't say anything. She just laughed.
And she pointed to me. It looks frumpy.
It's because it's not yours.
Not at all.
Actually, no, I need you to call Doreen.
I don't have going. Me and Dolan are fighting right now.
I need you to call her. I need you to ask her where is she.
Hello. I'm just in here chilling in the water. You know, chilling in the water.
Really thunder. It's really thunder. Oh, you gotta move my stuff.
Terrence, hold it. Just push it over there. Hold it something properly, Terrence.
Did you call Nala?
She's home.
Did they go in the pool?
No.
Oh.
It's been cloudy and rainy out there. They couldn't go in the pool.
It's thunder. Had to cancel practice early. Like,
Guys, this is some horrible recording.
ma'am, who do you expect me to be? The professional cameraman?
Well, learn.
You got lucky, sucker.
I know, right?
And I told you.
Look, look. I want you to catch. This is that lightning just now. That's what I want you to catch.
I'm currently. It could have come. It came up, mother, and I know it did because we saw the view I have right now on the camera. It's fine.
Look at them walking and taking videos instead of hurry up and trying to get home. I'm in a car and I'm trying to hurry up to get home. I mean, there was going to be an afternoon thunderstorm, so I guess that they meant it when they said it. Afternoon thunderstorm.
Merlin said thank you so much.
I know she texted me. She's like, bless your soul.
She's so cute.
Who is this person?
Somebody I used to work
Oh, okay.
with. Did you see that one?
I am not a professional camera operator.
Okay.
Can we hurry up? Can we just say F the light and go?
No.
That's not how it works. And watch your mouth.
That's not how. Oh Lord, I'm scared for you when you start driving, little boy. Because a while ago I was waiting to turn, and he was. I just turned. There was cars coming.
This is why I'm scared to drive people like him.
It's not how that works. I'm glad you have some years to learn how the road works, boy. Because hey,
Oh my god, if y'all don't hurry up and fucking drive.
language.
Gosh, you told me to mind my language, but you actually said the full
I'm
word.
Literally like 11 or 10 years older than you.
That's besides the point.
It's not besides the point, actually. It is